There are different ways to change the appearance of objects in a view panel. You can select most display mode options in a view panel's shading menu or as icons in the panel toolbar. These display options are set per view panel so that even with the same camera selected in multiple views, you can have different display modes for each. To see a bounding box representation of the objects, select Shading Bounding Box. Click the wireframe icon or press 4 for a standard wireframe view. In our scene, the colors of the object's wireframes are taken from the display layers in which they're stored. If you want to change the default line width, open the Preferences window, click Display, and drag the line width slider. Click the Smooth Shade All icon or press 5 to show the object's base material. If Smooth Shade All is active, you can click the default material icon, which overrides other materials and textures with a special version of the Lambert material that is the default in Maya. Click the Wireframe on Shaded icon to keep a wireframe on top of shaded or textured objects. Click the Textured icon or press 6 to show the texture on top of the object's base material. If you don't see the texture, make sure to turn off the default material, which overrides the texture. Click the Light icon or press 7 to show the effects of all lights you have created, which excludes the default scene light. You can also select all lights from the Lighting menu, return to default lighting, and display the effect of only selected lights. The Flat Lighting option uses an ambient light that looks like this if textures are on. If shading is on, the effect is like a constant shader, which is sometimes useful if Wireframe on Shaded is also on. If you don't want to see the object material's color, just select the default material option. If you want to see through objects, click the X-ray icon. You can also use X-ray for selected components or for only seeing joints in skin skeletons. Once you have set up a view panel as you like, you can choose Shading, Apply Current to All to copy the shading settings from this view to all other views.